Hello guys, thank you for joining me. And this video is for especially targeting the very new traders. The course is going to be for it's actually a 1 month plan. So I am going to release videos every Monday, and I'm going to do a live session on every Sunday 9 p.m. So write this down on your diary. For this month changes, I'll inform you guys on the Telegram channel so that you're aware of it. So let me introduce myself first. Before I do that, can you guys just please read this disclaimer? I'll give you 5 seconds. You read, and we'll get started. So basically, you should never risk what you can't afford to lose in this industry. And this video I'm doing for educational purposes. So guys, so how did I make made my millions? Well, this is my baby here, my Lambo, and my mansion there. And this is the millionaire lifestyle, guys. I will get you all of you there. It's easy. It's just easy money, guys. It's something that everyone should be doing it. I'll show you the trick I learned. It's gonna make you a millionaire. First thing first, like, subscribe, and I'll show you how to get there. Well, to be honest, guys, what I just said there is a lot of bullshit. Any guys that start introduction like this, they made the millions, they done this, they done that, their millionaire lifestyle is bullshit. I'm rich, you can be too. I call it full school. Do my course, full school runs by those guys. Glossy. Just do my course, glossy introduction, glossy presentation, millionaire lifestyle. It's basically just selling you false hopes. That's what they are doing. There's pretty much 90% of the guys out there doing this. They probably made one trade wonder, made some money, and they think they're king of Forex. So just watch out for them. And this is not me, guys. The person that introduced it first, this is not me. Real trader, the real school traders, the traders that teaches you, it costs you money. Learning Forex do cost you money. But the real school traders, they will teach you good and bad side of trading. They will teach you everything, what you can face, what you can't, how you can improve yourself. They will share the bad experience as good experience. They will show you the losses, how much they lost, how much they made, so that you understand what involves within the industry. And they will not promote daft things like I'll make you a millionaire, I'll do this, I'm living a lifestyle. Even if they are millionaires, they will keep things low profile. And that's the real school traders do. They don't go and show off. They don't need to go and show off. If they teach, they teaches, but they never go away beyond to show off. They never do that. They made the money, keep things low profile. That is more of real school traders. So watch out for them. So who am I? I am Aki. I've been running a Telegram channel for the last 2 years. I've been in this industry this is my 6th year. And along the way for the last 2 years, I've been helping hundreds of guys. When I say helping, I'm turning them into traders. And they are now in a position to go, some of them are in a position to go full-time trading. So that is an achievement for myself, a huge achievement to see someone growing with me. And this is what I'm actually doing. And this is where all of you guys, if you put your effort, put your ego aside, follow my simple method, I'm sure we could get there too. And don't rush, don't get into a race. Think as a marathon. No matter how long it takes, slowly we'll get there. So if you have that kind of mindset, we can work together, we can get there. If you're in a race, unfortunately, there's no point even wasting a month with me. So how to make money trading global currency market? Well, we buy and sell currency to make money in Forex market. So basically, that's what it is. I'll cover into next bit later. Let me introduce the course, what I'm going to go through, the videos I'm going to release every week. And the list here on the left is everything that I'm going to cover. So as you can see, it's a long list. So it's going to take a lot of time, and it's going to take a long, good month to do all this. So I am going to do videos. What's going to happen is videos, then we're going to follow up with a live session. Any question you have on the video, then we're going to go over that. So there's a lot of things involved. So hopefully all of you guys are ready, be prepared to go through that. After a month, you'll find out if it's worth it or not. At least you can say trading is for yourself or trading is not for you. Either you're going to fall into love with Forex or you're going to start to say goodbye to Forex. At least you'll find out within that month. So this is how much effort I'm going to put in. Right. What is Forex? Forex is the largest financial market in this planet. That's how big the Forex market is. Around over $4 trillion of transaction goes per day. There's no any other industry and other market in this planet does the same kind of volume goes through. So Forex is huge. So Forex, foreign exchange, also known as currency market, FX market, foreign exchange, currency market. Everyone uses different phrase. All it means is foreign exchange market. We call it for short FX market. So it's just the same thing. So those are the phrases that you need to aware of especially when you come into industry. You will see these phrases everywhere. It means the same thing. As I already mentioned it to you, what is Forex trading? Forex trading is we buy and sell currency at certain prices to make money. Many companies, pretty much every company is now, to be honest, not many anymore. It's more pretty much everyone. Companies deal with import and export of goods and services. What it means is, let me put into simple ways so that you can understand. Foreign exchange market, even if you're watching this video for the first time or the first time you heard about Forex, you actually been doing Forex in the past, which you probably didn't realize. For example, we all pretty much everyone been to holidays. So what do you do there? We exchange currency for another currency. So when the exchange takes place, that transaction actually goes through the Forex market. And that is the market we are involved in. Everybody, when you buy and sell maybe online from different countries, we actually doing a transaction through Forex market. So that every transaction that goes through goes through foreign exchange market. And that is the reason that's so volatile, the market. As I said, how you make your money is you buy a currency and you sell it at certain prices to make profit. For example, if you predict euro to rise against GBP, you can place buy euro GBP currency pair and then hopefully sell euro GBP at a higher price. What it means is you bought it at one price, and then when you take your profit out, you actually sold GBP. You bought euro first, and then you sold it. And when you sold it, you actually got your profit. And that's how you make money. So if the GBP does not rise as you anticipated, you will be in a losing trade. So you bought it and market just dropped below, then you lost money. And if it goes in your favor, you made the profit. That's how you make your money in Forex trading. Trading platform, you will see these. It's labeled as one of these, the way it is right now on the slide. USD, that is known as US dollar. EUR is known as euro. Sorry, EUR known as euro. JPY is Japanese yen. GBP, British pound. Sterling. CHF, Swiss franc. CAD, CAD is Canadian dollar. AUD, AUD is known as Australian dollar. NZD, New Zealand dollar. So these are the phrases that you will come across, and you will see the same way set up on your trading platform as well. Is major currencies, right? What is bid and ask price? You probably see offer as well. Bid and ask. Well, nearly every financial market in the world have two-way price. This is the price that you buy, and there's certain prices that you will sell. So there's a buy price. There's one at buy, and there's another price for sell. So exactly the same way in this Forex works as well, right? What is point, pip, tick? Well, pip, point, tick is all the same thing. Different people use different phrases, especially in gold. You use it point instead of pips. So what are these orders? There's certain orders that you can place when you're trading. There's buy limit. What is buy limit? Buy limit is when you place a buy limit order, you're placing your entry price below the price currently is. When the price hit this entry point, that's when the order get filled and you are onto the trade. What it means is, as you can see here, market is coming down and you set a buy limit just below the market, So you, even if the market is here, you place your order somewhere there, that price you're happy to buy at. So you put a buy limit there. So when the market starts coming down and touch that price you set, you're onto the trade. So from there, if it goes into your direction, goes above, then you're making money on the trade. And if it hits touch there and start going down, you're actually in a losing trade. So that is buy limit. And buy stop is opposite, exactly the opposite way. When you place buy stop order, you're placing your entry price above where price currently is. So what it means is when the market is coming down from the bottom and you set your order here at this price, you said, okay, I'm happy to buy at this price. So what you do is, if the market is below, you set a order above. So when the market goes to that price and touches and fill your order, then if it start going up higher, that means you're making money on that trade. And from there, if it start coming down, that means you're in a losing trade. So that is the simplest way I could explain this. You're going to learn as you more practice. What is spread? Margin? Well, spread is the difference between buy and sell price. So when you're buying a currency, you buy it at one price. And when you're selling a currency, there's a different price, different quote for them. So there's two quote, one for buy, one for sell. You already see on your trading platform. You would already see on your trading platform, there's two different prices. So that is known as spread. The difference between them two is known as spread. Margin is where a broker lend you money for a short period of time. That is the simplest way of understanding what margin is. We'll go into more details as we go. That is just so that you understand what is margin. Types of traders. There's 4 types of traders. There's scalpers, there's day traders, there's swing traders, investors. Scalpers is they usually trade in a smaller time frame. They usually jump in a trade, they're out within 5-10 minutes. So they're trading short time frame. It could be 5 minutes, it could be 10 minutes, it could be 15 minutes. Day traders, they basically open the trade beginning of the day, they close the trading end of the day. Swing traders is a bit more longer term traders. They could hold a position up to 1 day to 1 week to 1 month or few months. They're usually a bit more longer term traders. Investors, they're pretty much probably trade once a month. It could be once a year, could be once a few years. So they are investors. So that is something that you need to understand, and which one of them would suit you. Then you start going to focus on these kind of trading, which I am going to teach you one by one. That is something that I just highlighted here. That is something that you're going to learn further into the education. Risk management, I'm going to do a video itself. You don't need to go too much on it. I'm going to touch a little bit on trading psychology on this video. Well, when you're trading, the emotion get involved hugely, and that is one of the emotion usually the killer of success and failure of trading. Emotion is a mental state that determines the success or failure of trading industry, which is a subject itself, which I'm going to do a video itself. It's going to be 1 hour long, possibly, about trading psychology, because trading psychology is pretty much about 80% involved in trading. Probably about 10 to 15% involves of reading charts, understanding how market works, but it's more of trading psychology. One of the common one is fear and greed is the reason that most guys fails. Fear, when you're losing, the fear kicks in, and when you're winning, greed kicks in. So it's two of them. It does makes difference between failure and being that 5% makes money. Fear is the killer, greed is the killer. So both are exactly the same. You're going to understand as we go along. So those are the two common. Fear and greed is the most common one that guys fails on. Sometimes they get too greedy. When they start making too much money, they start get greedy. Eventually they start losing all. Fear, when they start in a losing trade, they will start making decisions in between. What happens is, when they start losing, they would come out and the boom, market shoots up into their favor. Because of the fear, they lost the trade. And the greed, as I already mentioned to you guys. I'll go into more details in another video. So that is something that you understand what those things do involve in trading. Trading is not just about making money. There's a lot of other aspects involved. So why is trading one of the best industry to be involved in? Well, as I was already said, it's for me, it's giving me the family time. That is something that I never had when I was doing 9 to 5 job. Now I am more of my own boss. No one could tell me what to do, what to not. I can trade 1 hour or 12 hour, whatever I want. If I want to work 1 hour, I want to work. I want to go on holiday tomorrow. I don't have to ask anybody. I am there. I can make my own decisions. I can close my laptop and I go. My business is closed. There isn't a single business out there which I can think of. If you know, leave on the bottom of the video that let you. There's no overhead cost involved when you're closing your business. There's no overhead. For example, you're running a restaurant. Even if you're going on holiday, you'd have to still pay the staff's rent. You'd have to pay the bills. A lot of expense involved. So there isn't many businesses that I know that allow you to close your business and off you go. There's no that overhead cost involved. And for me, it's a family time. And the reason I got this three pictures on this slide is restaurant. That could be franchise. How much does it cost to open a franchise? 50K. If you're going to do a McDonald's, probably about 200K. If you're going to do KFC, probably about 100,000. So this is how much involves when you're starting a new business. So why do we get into Forex? To make money straight away. A franchise to cover the cost of this 100,000 would probably you probably be running the business for a few years before you see profit coming into the business. All your investment, it doesn't start making a profit from next day. You probably be break even 2 years later. On your third year, you probably start making your money back. If your business is successful. If it fails, you lose all. Forex is the same way. So why do we jump into the market to double, quadruple our money? Why don't you look at the business? Whatever money we invest into the business, we should be looking to get return as the time goes by instead of now. Bank, your big bank, what do they give you if you invest your money into them? If you leave your savings, life savings into the bank, how much are they giving you? What, 5% a year? I would say top 5% a year. I don't think any of them would give you more because they would like to keep most to themselves. So 5% they're giving you a year. Trade, if you've been trading, why do you target 200% a day, a week? Can you imagine how much risk you're taking to make that money? So it's just Forex is something that guys don't fail to understand. It's not just trading. It's not making quick money. It's a business that you need to build first before the money start rolling in. So you need to take a slow step, learn first, then earn. Don't target these things. Even your bank is not giving you that kind of money. 100,000 in your bank, how much are you getting in return? Few grand end of the year. You trading with 100K account, you got the knowledge, you got the business built. How much can you make with 100K? You can make whatever money you want. There's no limit to it. So you need to understand that there's a power there in this business is unreal. You need to build that business first. And the power is there for you to make money. But you need to build. Otherwise, you're going to get burnt. Guys working in office, guys working in maybe other businesses, the amount of time they're putting, how much time they're putting, how much effort they're putting, are they actually getting the same return? Hell no. It's the big bosses that are taking the money, and rest just working just to please them, keep the business running. So that is something that you need to understand, how much work we put on if you're working for somebody else. If you're working for yourself, you need to be a bit smarter to make that money. So that business is Forex's business, guys. It's not quick money making machine. It's a business. Write this down on your diary. This one is the best one. This slide, I love this slide. Right, let me explain to you how this slide is working here. As you can see there, three number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, here's when you start our Forex journey. We start with a big smile. Hey, we're going to make our millions. We come in suited, booted, smile on our face. I'm going to leave my job. I'm going to quit everything. I'm going to make my millions. That's it. So you start there, suited, booted, everything, smile, maybe 3 months. doing well. Yeah, everything is this. I'm king of Forex. 6 months down the line, your suit start to come off, and you are left with shirt. You are still smiling on your face. Hey, one more trade. I'm gonna be back. One more trade. Another 6 months gone down the line. You moved. You took your shirt off. You can't afford to keep your shirt on. You have you decide to take your shirt off because you don't have any money to even buy a new one. So you took it off. Now that what you're looking at, you still got your laptop or computer. You lost your shoe. You still saying to yourself, hey, one more trade, just one more, everything gonna come back. One more trade, another 6 months gone down the line. You lost your shoe, you lost your suit, you lost your chair, you're on the floor, but you still got the laptop. One more trade, it's just gonna make everything back. What happened then? It doesn't come back. You lost everything. And then what the crazy thing about that is you don't accept your mistake. Even then, you need to start accepting the mistakes so that you don't make the same mistake again. But a lot of you guys don't accept the mistake you're making. You are just one trade wonder you're looking for. This is not trading, guys. This is not Forex trading. This is just basically looking for, you're turning into a gambler by doing this. One trade by looking for one trade, you start losing everything. So that is the reason you need to learn strategies. Then you're going to earning going to come. Well, successful traders and failures, they have certain things that makes them different. Successful traders have some common psychological attributes that contributes to their success. These are, they know the limit. When they're trading, they know the limit. They do not overtrade. So they make their money. They're done for the day. They're not going to go and chase the market to make more money. They will be done. Failures, they will say, okay, I made my money. I'm going to make more money. Today is my day. Eventually what happens? They start losing everything they made. They don't have, successful traders, they always have their risk management in place. Doesn't matter how much they lose, the next trade will make their money back. But the failures, they have no risk management. If one trade goes for them, boom, they double their account. When the traders start losing, trades go against them, they start blowing their account. Successful traders, they maintain the self-discipline so that market never take control of them. They're always in control of themselves and follow through with their trading rules. But failures, they have no rules. They have no limit. They just want to make money, simple as. And successful traders, they know when to fight the market and when to not. If the trade goes against them, they will accept it. Today is not for them. Today is not for their strategy. They will move on for next day. But the failures, when they start getting bad runs, they start fighting the market. They'll be starting to fight until they're finished. And then still they won't accept the mistake they made. So that is the difference between failures. And this slide is usually on my desk. Literally, that is, you need these things to motivate yourself, because trading is a very lonely career to be involved in. It can be very lonely because you and your laptop, simple as this. There's nobody there to tell you what to do, what to not. You are self there. So you need self-motivation. And these things, when I have those slides, it helps me to keep my focus. So that I would advise you to have some reasons behind it in front of your computer, why you want to do Forex, why. Your why has to be very powerful, something that motivates you every day. Good time, bad time, it motivates you. So you can be positive all the time, because you need positive mind to be successful. And that comes as you become more confident. Confidence comes through strategy, building a strategy that will be the business model for you. So rules and strategy, that is very, very important. So write things down, guys, and have your why you want to trading, a powerful why. Then you will see that mind will be more focused and to learn as well. So that's it, guys, in terms of my first video. And I will be making, as I said, every week there will be one coming out. At least one will be coming out, probably about 10-15 videos, but or at least one. So that is this. Today's session is more of just giving you guys introduction to foreign exchange market, so that you understand the basics. So we're going to next week, for next video, It'll be more of candlestick. That's what I'm going to go through, so that you understand how those how the patterns works, how what is candlestick. So I'm going to do a video about that. So guys, enjoy your day, and I'll see you on Sunday session. Write down in your diary 9 p.m. UK time, because I know a lot of you guys from different time zone, but at least write this down for UK time so that you don't get mixed up. 9 p.m. UK time, Sunday. I'll be doing a live session. You can ask me any question that you'd like regarding this video, that we can, so that you so that I know that you understood everything that I went through. So the next week we're going to do the same. I'm going to do another video. You're going to do you have the chance to come and ask. So guys, a lot of you guys I know we've been with me, but I would advise you still go through the basics, and then it's a good time to go through the basics and take things further. Right, thanks a lot, guys, and enjoy your day. Whatever you're doing, enjoy. I'll see you soon, guys. And also, any comment, put it into the bottom of the comment section. Any question you have, when I get the chance, I will answer you back. And otherwise, I'll see you on Sunday. Take care, guys.